Hey guys, on this episode I'm going to show you the free greenhouse I just picked up. So if you're looking around on Facebook, you can snap in a great deal like I just did on a greenhouse. So there's actually a guy that just moved in here and he doesn't want to have anything to do with gardening or the greenhouse, and I paid him 25 bucks, but he basically just wanted me to take down the greenhouse and get rid of all the glass and stuff, and I can have it for free. So that's what I actually started this yesterday. I spent 3 hours getting all the panels out, or some of the panels out, and now I'm just going to finish up the job. The only problem I have right now is once I finish getting the last few panels off, I need to figure out how to get these home, because these panels of glass are huge, and as you can see, I'm sitting in an SUV, so it's decently big. It does not fit a lot of the metal frames. I'm going to see if I can hire a truck to come and pick up all this stuff just in one go. It's only like 15 blocks. So now you've seen the greenhouse dismantled, I can show you the current state it's in and the amount of work I have ahead of me. My neighbor came over and helped me with his truck. Big thanks, John, that really helped me out. And yeah, I got them stacked up in the truck, brought them back over here, and now I have a greenhouse to reassemble in my yard. So this is, most of them are in glass doors like this. This is the only one that's actually a full glass window with one tiny sliding window at the top. And all the rest are nice big glass doors. These are all glass. There's one screen as well for one of the doors. Here's all the metal frames. I didn't take them apart because you can see they're all rusted together. And if I took them apart, they wouldn't go back together. Most of these have one of the glass panes attached that doesn't come off and doesn't slide. So obviously this greenhouse is not in tip-top shape, but you know, it's good enough. I can rebuild it and it'll work just fine. If any of you have experience with a glass greenhouse, I'm not sure exactly where to put it. I was thinking of putting it here, in this spot where all these tarps are. This gets full sun here, so I'm not sure if full sun is going to be too much for this thing. I do have a couple of spring-loaded mechanisms to get some airflow at the top. So there are a sliding window that you saw, and there's also this screen here. So this is the other opening. So it's, you know, it has some airflow, but if you have experience with this, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And that does it for this one. If you have any ideas of how I should construct this, because you saw the A-frame, I could do it in another format. The other option is if it's too much work, I could turn those into a bunch of cold frame boxes as well. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like it, subscribe, hit the thumbs up and all that good stuff. And until next one, have a great day.